In the evolving ESD flooring tiles world, there are more and more color choices. 1. Diversity of options. China Antistatic flooring factories offer a wide range of colors, from vibrant to earth tones. It allows businesses to choose ESD control flooring that suits their branding, improves the workplace, and meets design needs. 2. Custom color solutions. China Antistatic flooring manufacturers provide custom color solutions to meet unique needs. This flexibility enables companies to create custom environments that fit their corporate identity, enabling ESD static flooring to match other facility elements. 3. Visual appeal and branding. ESD vinyl flooring can improve a facility's overall look, appealing to both employees and visitors. By integrating specific colors, businesses can reinforce their branding and create a cohesive visual identity. Standard or custom solutions offer variety, enabling companies to choose ideal flooring for their operational goals and branding strategy. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to like, comment and share.